The following short video is just an excerpt of how you could possibly use augmented reality with your students so they could potentially present and demonstrate their knowledge in an augmented reality environment. So this is using Adobe Aero and Reality Composer. So I intend on doing a bit of a tutorial on how to do this at a later stage, but this is an example of what you can do. So we're doing a project on the Vikings. So let's have a look at some of these pictures here. This is what we call, this is one of the Viking settlements. Okay, you can see how they build most of their stuff by the water, and then we've got a map over here of the kind of places that, or the places that the Vikings invaded. So if we wander around here, we've got some weapons, and we can tap on these weapons to see what they sound like. And then we can tap on these, and that's a battle. And we've also got the horn over here as well, but I'll let these actually finish before I press the horn. We've got an axe over here, so we can take a look at the axe. This is one of the axes, like so. We've got the sword here. That fireplace actually is in my garden. And then over here, these are all the symbols, the Viking symbols, so we can see here. So let's have a look at the horn now. This is what the horn sounds like. And then finally, one of the Viking boats. Now this is not to scale, but you can see here one of the Viking boats. As we look inside the boats, there we go. Okay, so that's basically my presentation on the Vikings presented in my garden.